Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made, this is part 2 of resampling your clip art. And I mentioned that I had turned it into a grayscale in that last video, and I thought, well, maybe people don't know how to do that. So here's a grayscale of the same exact clip art. Let's go to resample, and I'll make sure it's 300 dot French, so it's the original clip art. But we're going to go up to bitmap into mode into grayscale, then go to bitmap resample and make it 600. And I don't think you can, any higher would actually help you. So that's how you go, and then you would trace it. Now it's going to take a little bit longer to trace the 600 dot per inch than it did the other, so I'm not going to do it for the video. And then I'm going to throw this kind of in. This is my trace version. And I kind of found this by accident when I was getting ready to make the video. I want to get rid of all these gray parts of the deal, and I just want the white background. So I'm going to go to arrange, and I'm going to ungroup. Well, instead of going here and hitting delete through all these, I just found this by accident. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to hit the letter B as in boy, and it put all the kernels down here, and then you can erase your leaves, and this thing is almost ready to engrave. There's a few places you could fix, but it depending on what size. And then you can go over here and just left click and, well, back that up, right click on black and make your engraving black. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.